Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has inaugurated the newly constructed multi-storied Armed Forces Institution of Pathology AFIP Bhavan and Sena Prangon Bhavan and Army Central Auditorium in the Dhaka cantonment by unveiling its nameplates. The 40-story AFIP Bhavan is equipped with the modern laboratory where the latest technology like next-generation sequencing, automated microbial identification system, transmission electron microscope and multi-headed microscope were installed to ensure international standard services. The Prime Minister inaugurated Sena Prangon Bhavan and entered the new Bhavan by cutting a ribbon as well. The Army Central Auditorium Sena Prangon has been constructed for organizing various national and international level events like important meetings, seminars and social events. Chief of Army Staff General S.M. Shofiuddin Ahmed and high-level Army officers were present.
1, 2, 3 ঢাকায় জমি জিতে নিন 100% ক্যাশব্যাক সহ 20 কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।